This week's feast?
The Grilled Cheese Deluxe. We're back with another recipe from Regular Show. I can't believe there are so many that we still haven't done. It's crazy.
But they're all so fun. And this one is no exception.
What are we making today, Ash?
Grilled Cheese Deluxe, everybody.
With how many cheeses?
Too many for my comfort. Kidding. You guys are gonna love it. We know everyone, most of the normal people out there love cheese.
Yeah.
I guess I'm not normal.
If you're a regular person, a normal person,
you're a regular person.
You're gonna love this regular. Actually, this is a very special Grilled Cheese Deluxe. We got a ton of cheeses in there, sourdough bread, and I am starving.
We just put as many cheeses as we can in this thing. Deluxe style coming at you guys.
It is pretty deluxe. Let's get cooking.
Yeah.
The Grilled Cheese Deluxe from Cheezers. It's as simple as it gets, but mastering the finesse of just the right cheeses and the perfect browned bread is no mortal task. Let's begin. We're making 2 deluxes today, so start by taking a slice of long sourdough bread, spread some mayo on top, and butter up that pan. When it's coated, place your slice of bread on top, mayonnaise side down. This way, we're gonna get the perfect soakage of butter and a beautiful browned bread. Now for our cheeses, we used 2 slices of sharp cheddar, followed by Swiss, then Colby Jack, before re-topping it all off with another layer of cheddar. I learned this next trick a few years back. Put a little water in the pan and cover it to let it steam the cheese for a full, beautiful melt. Now just place 2 more slices of bread on top, carefully flip your grilled cheese over so the other side starts to brown as well, and just look at that golden color. Give it one last cover and you're done. 4 layers of delicious cheese all melted together and ready to serve. But wait, there's one last very important step. The olive through a toothpick on top, and finally, the almighty cheese pull. And voila! You can make your own Cheezers bags with our downloadable graphic. Let the oil soak through it and serve your delicious Cheezers Grilled Cheese Deluxes to the world. Or yourself. We prefer ourselves.
Woo! Very excited. Ashley, of course, being dairy-free.
Can't partake today.
No. But me being lactose intolerant means I can partake.
He's taking one for the team again,
Just
guys.
at a cost. You know, I'm gonna eat this first. Cause I
Appetizer.
love olives.
Wow, wait, let's look at the bottom. Holy moly. It's
The
like
cheese is melted over.
wow.
Alright, well, I love sourdough. And I love grilled cheese, so
Yummy.
here's to you guys. You know what I'm really missing now?
What?
Tomato soup.
Oh yeah, but clutch.
But that's okay, these are
That's not in the regular show, huh?
No, these are straight from Cheezers and I cannot wait. Oh.
Pretty good, right? The mayonnaise is good too, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a cool addition.
Yeah, it's a cool way to brown it without using too much butter.
Let us know in the comments how many of you guys use mayonnaise instead of butter.
You know what would go great with these sandwiches, Ash?
What's that? You already said tomato soup.
No. Funny internet videos! Roll them!
Don't get too close now, Pop.
Man, it's Ostrich with the balls!
That was delicious. We love making recipes from the Regular Show, so if there are any that we still haven't made, well, how do they let us know, Ashley?
Yep, let us know in the comments below.
So easy, so simple. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well as following us on Instagram.
Yep.
All that good stuff.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.